The rise of humanoid robots is moving much faster than many people expected, and Engine AI just took another major step forward. The company officially opened its intelligent manufacturing base in Shenzhen, China, with the first batch of T-800 humanoid robots now rolling off the production line. This marks a big moment not only for Engine AI, but also for the growing race to mass-produce advanced humanoid robots for real-world jobs. The new factory was designed to streamline production and increase efficiency, allowing Engine AI to build humanoid robots at a much faster pace. Reports suggest the facility can produce one robot every 15 minutes, showing just how serious the company is about scaling up operations. The T-800 humanoid robot is built for industrial work, logistics, inspections, and other demanding tasks where automation could replace repetitive human labor. What makes the T-800 especially interesting is its realistic movement and advanced engineering. The robot features 29 degrees of freedom, high torque joints, and a human-like walking system that has already gained attention online. Videos of Engine AI robots performing dynamic movements and natural walking patterns have quickly spread across social media platforms. China's humanoid robot industry is becoming increasingly competitive, with companies pushing to dominate the future robotics market. Engine AI's new manufacturing base shows that large-scale humanoid robot production is no longer a concept for the distant future. It is already happening now, and the technology is improving at an incredible pace.